Let's see what's in here. Look at this. Can't even cut a box right. Oh, they don't come with no box. Yeah, alright. I don't need no box.
I like that color.
Gave me a little skelly.
A little bag for
Put
him.
them in there. Alright, say less. Let's try these out real quick.
Those are Air Maxes?
Yeah.
Yeah. I like that color scheme.
Alright. Yeah, that's why I got it, the colorway. Oh no, it's stuck onto the... It'll be alright. Let's try these on real quick. Ain't got one on this side. Alright.
This just look nice.
Looks good.
Yeah.
Brand new without a box. That'll be alright. Alright. Okay. Alright. Alright, let's try this.
I like that green on the bottom.
Throw these off. I'll actually wear these today.
It's reflective on the tongue and the back.
Yeah, right here.
That's just dope. Shit, at least you see me at night. Shit.
Better be size 9, yeah, it is. They look small, but it's probably just me. Oh, yeah.
It fit?
Oh, yeah.
That's good.
You Air Maxes. Got the new Air Maxes. Alright. Yeah, I love the colors. That's why I hate wearing stuff people got.
Plain as hell, wearing.
They feel real good, though.
Now they do.
Like, real good.
Oh, yeah. Hell yeah.
Keep these on.
You in here?
Sorry, Marky, you ain't in here, but yeah,
Hell yeah.
No, yeah, they're good.
I fuck with it.
They give me a little bag. I could dig it.
I like the silk material though.
Yes,
I was just
silk.
about to say that I feel like I would have a bag.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Like,
They should actually come in bags. Those types of bags. And not one color is the same.
So I make the video too long.
Yeah, we're
I would never will.
not over there. Somebody buys those and they resell them, you're gonna end up with $400.
Yeah, I only paid the $147 for these.
Damn, that's not
So,
that's
I mean, I don't need the
cheaper
box, so I'm good.
than the stores. Than retail. Retail your size, my size is like 200, 190.
That's like the worst thing for me.
Yeah, MX did not disappoint.
Yeah, I mean, even like when he tries to like, when he likes to get him parked, and it's